Hi, this is Mariette from HowToExpo.com. Today I'm going to prepare Italian pasta salad with tricolor vegetable radiatori. I hope I am pronouncing it right. After you boil, according to the package instruction, until it's al dente, immediately take it out from the boiling water and run under cold water to cool it down and stop further cooking. Then put it aside. Now we are going to prepare the dressing for the salad. This is 2 cups of olive oil. I always use extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed. This is 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of basil, 2 teaspoons garlic salt, 2 teaspoons honey, 4 teaspoons lemon, 4 teaspoons white wine vinegar, and 4 teaspoons shredded Parmesan. Some black pepper to taste. And whisk all of this together very well until it's combined together. You can use this dressing with any salad, but it goes very well with the combination that we are going to add onto the pasta soon. I think it's okay. Now we put this on the side so that we start mixing the ingredients into the pasta. Place the pasta into the serving dish. Once the pasta has cooled down, transfer it into a container or a bowl and start adding all the other ingredients that I will show it right now. This is fresh mozzarella pearl. And next is sliced hard salami, pepper and chili, then sliced cherry tomatoes, broccoli florets, red bell pepper cut into small pieces. The beautiful spring colors, and green bell pepper, and sliced black olives. Once you have all this together, whisk the dressing a little bit more and pour over the macaroni and all the goodness on it. Then mix it all together. What a beauty! You can serve this in parties, family gatherings, barbecues, birthdays. Is tasty and pretty at the same time, and impressive. Mixed well so all the pasta is coated with the dressing. Then spread generous amount of shredded Parmesan cheese to complete the beautiful, tasty Italian pasta salad. I can't wait to eat it. Voila! Bon appétit! Let me taste it. So tasty. Delicious. Really. Give it a try, you will like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and don't forget to click on the bell button to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you. See you soon.
Visit HowToExpo.com for printable recipes.